Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I will be showing you how to create a Kanban board in Notion. So let's get started. Create a blank page in Notion. Create a new database board view. Edit a card by clicking on Edit, then open the side panel. Add a single select property. Example, Content Status. Optionally, delete unnecessary properties like status and assign. Create text for each Kanban column. Example, Backlog, Progress, Testing, or Done. Adjust the board by hiding columns with no Kanban status and arranging the columns in the desired order. Create stories or tasks within the columns by adding and moving them between different statuses. Customize further by adding additional properties or steps. These steps should help you set up a basic Kanban board in Notion. That's it for this video. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching. See you next time.